Today still, 80% of global energy is produced by using fossil fuels. To change this, we need renewable energy technologies, wind, solar, and hydropower, as well as biofuels. However, the issue with these sources is that the production is often dictated by seasonal and weather conditions. To make a change with remarkable impact, we need solutions to store the energy created during the peak conditions. At Bioruukki, we're researching and developing technology for just that. Methods to convert surplus power to sustainable products. With modular reactor technologies, we can produce synthetic natural gas, renewable fuels, sustainable petrochemicals, and raw materials. Also, movable to your site where the resources are available. Bioruukki offers expertise and state-of-the-art research facilities to maximize the environmental benefits of renewable power and at the same time to create value-added, sustainable products. Join us in circular bioeconomy transformation. Bioruukki.